Good morning, everyone. How are you today? It's nice to see you. We're here for a math lesson. I missed you on Monday, but it sure was nice to have a day off. So I want to tell you, I was going through all of my notes and my plan book, and we have finished all of the math objectives that we're supposed to do in kindergarten. Silent cheer for that. We've worked so hard. So today, and then next week as well, we're going to do some review lessons. Review means to redo or practice it again, okay? But let's get started with our calendar, and then I'll show you our goal for today. Here we go. The calendar, wow, it's really filled up. We're getting to the end of May, aren't we? So here is the last number, and I move my finger up. The calendar tells me that today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, so that means yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, and that means tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's go ahead and write our date in the notebook. Open up your notebook to your next blank page. And today is Wednesday. We know that's a W, and we know it's an uppercase W because it's the name of something. It's the name of our day. So we have to write it with an uppercase W, but the rest of the letters are lowercase. Can everybody write Wednesday in their notebook? That's a long one. All right, Wednesday, May. May is M, and it's an uppercase M because it's the name of our month. Wednesday, May. And we just saw the calendar, told us it's the 27th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. All righty, let's go check out our pattern. Let's see what the pattern's looking like at this point. I know we've said it's an AABB because we have pink, pink, green, green. Let's see what will be up tomorrow. Pink, pink, green, green. 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 Pink, pink, green. What will be up tomorrow? Type it in the chat box. If today is a green calendar piece, what will tomorrow's piece be? Type it in and tell me if it will be pink or green. Awesome. I see lots of people typing in green. You are right. Tomorrow the calendar will have a green piece. And that's because patterns repeat exactly the same way. And that whole calendar has been doing pink, pink, green, green, pink, pink, green, green. Good job, friends. Let's sing our songs for the days and the months. You ready? Sing nice and loud with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And now let's sing the months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. Nice job. You have good voices, good singing voices today. All right, so I told you we're going to do some review today and next week. And that means we're going to look again at some things that we've learned this year. Some things that I just want us to have extra practice because I know you're going to need to know these things for first grade. Can you believe you're almost first graders? So our goals. Today we have a couple of goals. We will review addition and subtraction. Today we're going to review addition and subtraction we're going to do it by drawing sets. and then we'll add our sets together or cross them out for subtraction. We're going to review addition and subtraction by using the number line. We're going to review addition and subtraction by making fact families. Do you remember when we did those? Fact families have 2 addition equations and 2 subtraction equations using the same numbers. And we're going to solve word problems. So we'll have to use addition and subtraction to solve word problems. So we have 4 things we're going to look at again that we've looked at this year, but that we're going to look at again. All righty. Let's start by drawing sets. Hannah, will you get me a towel? All righty. My daughter's going to get a towel so I can erase the board. Drawing sets. How about if we start? I'd like you to open your notebooks so that you can do this with me. But let's start with 3 plus 4 equals blank. So if we have 3 plus 4, we're going to draw 3. I think today I'll draw flowers. It seems like a nice spring day. So this set has 3 flowers. You can draw what you'd like to draw. And then I need a set with 4. So I'll draw 4 flowers in this set. Again, you may draw what you'd like to draw. I just thought about flowers on this sunny day. And now for addition, we have to join the sets together. So I'm not going to cross anything out. I can't actually push them together on the whiteboard, but I'm going to count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we just figured out 3 plus 4, the sum is 7. And remember, oh good, I see lots of people getting the answer on the chat bar and it's looking great. Remember, the answer to addition is called the sum. All right, let's figure out a subtraction equation by drawing sets. So, how about if our subtraction is 9 minus 4 equals blank? Write that one in your notebook. Write that one down. How many do we have to draw for our set? For subtraction, we need one big set, and then we're going to take some away. So this starts with 9. I have to draw 9 things. I'm going to draw happy faces because I feel happy today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many am I going to take away? I'm going to take 4 away. And what we usually do is cross them out. We don't actually erase them or take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the difference is 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And remember, the answer to a subtraction equation is called the difference. Good. All right. So we just practiced addition and subtraction by using sets, by drawing sets. The next part of our goal says we're going to use the number line. I know we did that about 2 weeks ago. Let's start with an addition equation, 5 plus 7. What's the sum for 5 plus 7? Well, we're going to use the number line this time. So if it's 5 plus 7, I'm going to start at the number 5. Here's the 5. And I have to make 7 jumps down the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And where did I land? I landed on the number 12. So I know 5 plus 7, the sum is 12. All right, let's do a subtraction equation using the number line. How about 11 minus 6? What's the difference for 11 minus 6? Let's see. I'm going to start this time at the 11, and I have to jump backwards, back down towards the 1 because it's subtraction. What was the equation? 11 minus 6. So I have to go back for 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And where did I land? I landed at the 5. So 11 minus 6 equals 5. All righty. There we go. We practiced addition and subtraction drawing sets. We've practiced it using the number line. Now we're going to practice it by doing a fact family. Do you remember with fact families, the 3 numbers are the same? So let's use the numbers 7, 3, and 10. These are the numbers in my fact family. So I need 2 addition equations and 2 subtraction equations, and they're going to have these numbers in them. So for the addition equations, I know the answer is going to be the biggest number here. So the answer, the sum, is going to be 10. And now, whoops, I can just use these numbers for my equation. So 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 3 plus 7 equals 10. And now let's do the 2 subtraction equations. And with subtraction, I know subtraction always starts with the largest number. So my subtraction equations are going to start with the number 10. 7 minus something equals something. So I just have to plug in these numbers. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and 10 minus 3 equals 7. And there's my fact family. I have 4 members in the family, 2 addition equations and 2 subtraction equations. And they're all in the same family because they're all using the same 3 numbers. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7. See how they're all related, just like you and your family members are related to each other. All righty. We've practiced addition and subtraction by drawing sets. We've practiced by using the number line. We've practiced by making fact families. And now we're going to practice by solving word problems. Now, with word problems, remember, when you solve a word problem, we read the story, and I've written 2 word problems here for us today. And it's best if we draw a picture, because drawing a picture helps us so we can visualize it and count with our eyes. We write the equation, either addition or subtraction, and we solve it. And the important thing is we always label our answer. So we don't just say 10 or 6. We have to say 10 what? 10 apples or 6 bananas or whatever the story is about. So we'll start this one. The story says Nan has 3 flowers. She picks 5 flowers. How many flowers does Nan have now? Well, let's start with our picture. Nan has 3 flowers, so I'm going to draw 3 flowers. You can do it in your notebook with me if you'd like. 3 flowers. She picks 5 flowers. So let's draw the 5 flowers that she picks. She had 3 flowers in her hand, and she's picking 5 flowers. 3, 4, 5. I'm not very good at drawing flowers this morning because I'm going fast. How many flowers does Nan have now? Well, I see 2 sets, and I need to know how many there more are altogether. So that tells me this is going to be an addition equation. So there's my plus sign. Nan had 3 flowers, so we'll start with 3. She picked 5 flowers, so 3 plus 5. And how many does she have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She has 8. But up here's my question. Do I just write 8? No, I label my answer 8 flowers. I wouldn't just say 8. I have to label my answer. Good. So there's addition using a story problem. Now let's do the last one, the subtraction problem. 9 birds sit in a tree. Oh boy, I have to draw a tree. Here's my tree. And 9 birds are sitting in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I drew them with their wings sticking out. Like they sort of look like they're flying, but they're sitting in the tree. 3 birds fly away. So I'm going to X out 3 of them. These 3 are the ones that fly away. 1, 2, 3. How many birds are in the tree now? And I have to count up how many are there now. So 9 birds are in the tree. I can see that some birds are going away, so it's going to be subtraction. How many went away? 3. 9 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It equals 6. Back to my question, how many birds are in the tree now? 6, but can I leave it just as 6? No, I have to label my answer 6 birds. 6 birds are in the tree. And there's subtraction through a story problem. All righty. Let's go back and look at our goals and see if we met our goals today. Our goal said that we would review addition and subtraction by drawing sets. Yep, we did that. We used the number line. We did that. We made fact families. And we practiced addition and subtraction by solving word problems. So we have met our goal today. All righty. I know those are things that we've already done, but as I said, we're reviewing some of our skills now that we're at the very end of kindergarten. Can you believe we're almost finished with kindergarten? All righty, friends. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.